Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Today I'll be showing you how to remove background noise of our video in Capcut. Alright, after you import your video to Capcut, what you're gonna do is just click on the video and then slide your screen like this until you find reduce noise button. It's right here. Click on reduce noise button. And then you gotta click this toggle button. All right. Okay, and let's see the difference before I reduce the noise. This is before I reduce the noise. Okay. Alright, and then after you reduce the noise, you can click this check mark. And alright, now the noise of the video has been reduced or removed, and it's actually not totally removed from our video, but at least it's reduced. Okay guys, that's how we can reduce or remove background noise of our video. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye.